Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to unnest a sequence in Premiere Pro. So there are two ways. First way, let's say I have nested the sequence, so I will click on Nest and create nested sequence. Now I can literally take it back just by pressing Command Z or Ctrl Z if you are on Windows, and this sequence is unnested now. But what if I made any changes to the sequence? So I will nest it again. And let's say I made any changes and I can't go back just like this. Then I have to go into the sequence, so double click on it. Now, as you can see, the second sequence has appeared. So this is my first timeline, this is the second. I have to select everything in there, press Command C or Ctrl C if you are on Windows. Go to your original sequence, get your playhead at the start, and then Command V. And now this sequence is unnested, as you can see, and I can close this one. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.